Hey guys, it's Maddie
and Bella,
and we're from Sis and Sis. And today we have our slimes. And today we're going to be doing the slime mystery challenge, where you have stuff in a cup and you stir it up and you draw one and it says something, and you have to do it to your slimes, and whichever one does it better wins. But we're gonna let you guys vote on who wins and who doesn't. Okay, so we're going to do rock, paper, scissors to see who goes first. So I pick first.
Oh, I'm scared. That's going to be slime swirl.
Slime swirl.
Dang it.
Slime swirl. So we have to do a slime swirl. Okay. Now, you can do slime swirls different ways. You can do them like this, like a lot of people, or you can do it my way, because I found a new way. And it's just pulling it, wrapping it, and keep on going, and eventually it'll start making the little things.
I barely know how to do this, so I'm like guessing.
And here's my slime swirl.
Okay,
now we're gonna wait on Bella. So Bella has her slime swirl. Ooh, that's a tough cookie.
Use our scissors. Okay, got it apart.
Well, mine kind of fell and dissolved a little bit, but it's better.
Okay.
So now we're going to do rock, paper, scissors again to see who picks next. So I get to pick next again. Smiley face.
Yay, I'm good
Now,
at
with the smiley faces, you can make any kind of smiley face you want. You could do it.
Maddie, we get to reuse them, remember?
No, we're not today. You can do it like this and draw the smiley face. You can take it apart and do the smiley face. It's whatever you want to do.
And we have stuff.
And we have 1, 2.
We get
four supplies. You get a hairbrush, a little pencil. We get this thing in case you want to draw, and we get scissors. I'm going to use the scissors first because I already know what I'm doing.
So do I. And I'm doing the same thing that I did before this carding. Yeah, I'm doing the same way. So ours might kind of look the same because
we kind of do it the same way.
Yeah. So I'm just going to wait for her to get done.
So now what I'm going to do, and they have to include eyebrows. So you have to have some eyebrows.
Because eyebrows are like the thing. And she's really good at eyebrows.
I didn't do my eyebrows today for school. There's my eyebrows.
Wait, I forgot what's all in the smiley face. Oh yeah, eyes. Hey, I don't just take them from you.
Cut it. My slime got connected again. So I'm gonna make the eyes.
Okay.
I'm just gonna do a little circle, place it down, and push it, and then flip it over. Now I'm gonna take the little pencil. I'm gonna.
I forgot which one was mine. I'll just use this one.
Mark a little hole in it for it to be the eye.
Okay.
I'm going to do the same thing.
So far, all I've got left is my eyebrows.
Now I'm working on the mouth, which I'm going to use this big putty. What I'm going to do is I'm going to roll it out.
Okay.
Really great. Wait, I'm going to cut this in half.
Okay. Time to put on my eyebrows, even though I am running out to really cut it. Okay, now I've got my room. Yay. Really? There's thousands of things. Okay, I fixed it. Okay.
So I'm going to make the mouth. Now remember, you guys are voting on which one's better.
So yeah. I need the scissors.
So we will be right back when we're finished. So I have finished mine. I'm going to show you guys since we won't be able to hold it up. There's my smiley face.
Here's mine.
And here's Bella's. So you guys comment down below which one you think won. So let's join our slime.
Okay.
So now we're going to do rock, paper, scissors one more time. So Bella won, so she gets to pick. Shake it up a little.
Where do you put the paper?
Just sit it over there.
Where?
Right there.
What the one that we've already drawn out?
Milo, they're over there. Sit the new ones right there. She's picking.
Okay, and it is poop emoji.
Poop emoji.
Here.
Poop emoji.
Okay. Let's get started.
So now let's get started. Okay, I'm gonna wait on her to finish using the things. Now I'm gonna teach you guys my method. No copying me. I'm gonna roll it out like this.
That's how I'm doing it. By the way.
And then I'm cutting it in 3 sections.
Okay, so let's get started on the bottom.
And then 3. So we have 4 pieces.
Oopsie,
I'm gonna
mine's
take the thick piece. I'm gonna roll it out and flatten it down. Make it really big and thick. So first piece like this. I'm gonna make the second piece the same, just a little thinner.
Yeah, because like you can't have it too big, or it would be weird. You do not want a weird one. Oh, I cannot make a triangle.
Why are you making a triangle?
For the head. Here's it. Okay, I already have my triangle made.
I'm gonna do the little.
Mine's only got 3. Hers has got 4. Because she has just like a tad more than me, so she has more. So yeah, it'll be easier for her. Ugh. This will work. Okay, make triangle work, please. I am begging. Ooh, it's kind of working now. No, I'll just cut out triangle for this little bit. Okay.
Okay, now I'm gonna show you guys mine. There's my poop emoji. I'm gonna have to brush him, give him a little wavy look and texture.
Because that's how poop is.
So guys, will be right back. Okay, I'm back.
And I'm finished.
She's finished, and I'm gonna put her poop emoji. Here's mine once again. And there's Bella's. Remember, comment down below who do you think won. So, we're gonna mix them up. Okay.
Rock, paper, scissors.
We have 2 left.
So we can each do one. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
I
Okay,
get to pick.
let's see what.
Mix them.
And you get
Clicky. That'll work. Now, if you guys don't know what clicky is, okay, clicky is the sound that it makes when you poke it. Now, ours doesn't make a lot of sound, so be quiet. Let me show them. It doesn't make a lot of sound because it sounds just like Play-Doh because it's getting a little tough.
Okay, let's get started. I'll go first. How many was it?
I think 3.
Okay, mine did 3.
So here's mine.
2, 3.
How many was that?
6.
Mine did 6. So I won.
So,
But you comment down below who you think was better sounding.
okay.
So last one, we gotta do rock, paper, scissors.
Oh. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
You get to pick it. So of course there's only one left. Oh, I dropped it.
Okay,
I
what?
don't even know what this says. It says hair. I guess we gotta create a hairstyle with our slimes.
I already know how to do it.
Not really, don't put slime in your hair, it'll stick.
Okay. I'll probably be done first with these.
I got an idea.
Okay, I'm done. I'm going to show y'all mine. Okay, while she's doing that, here's my
I'll make mine
hairstyle.
look really realistic.
Here is mine. So I'm just going to keep it. Oh, I messed it a little bit. There we go. looks the same.
So if you guys don't already know, this is like really, really hard.
But it's kind of easy for me.
I did mine curly.
Because she's a curly, I'm a straight.
Now what I'm going to do is take this brush and I'm going to brush it.
Oh, you're straight.
Okay. You seen Bella's, now I'm going to brush Bella's.
My slime.
Okay. So now whose do you think will win? There's mine. And Bella's got destroyed. Comment down below who you think won. This has been Sis and Maddie.
Sis and Sis.
Oh, Sis and Sis. What in the world? Don't forget, comment down below who you think won. Like and subscribe. Click that subscribe button right now. And
turn on notifications to become part of the Sis and Sis family, and to get notifications to know when we make another video.
Or when we post another video.
Yeah.
We already have made like 5, but we haven't posted them.
Yeah.
So remember, we're new at this. Just give us a thumbs up and comment down below.